YouTube, this is Jamal Gray 92 coming out with yet another airsoft gun review, but this time I'll be doing the Revolver versus an average pistol. The two guns that I'll be using will be the Revolver as the TSD Sports Revolver 6-inch barrel versus the Stinger P311. I'll show you a visual of each one separately. Alright, here goes the Revolver. Nice metallic finish. 6-round cartridge. Wood grip. Now the Stinger, I'll just call it the pistol. See-through spring, bright orange grip. Now yet, I still believe this one shoots way farther than that, but as you can see, I'll just show you the specs real quick. No need to explain. This is for the Revolver. This is fixed for the 12-gram BBs. 6-inch barrel, 75 to 45 feet human size target. It has 160 to 240 FPS using 12 grams. It comes with 8 shells, 100 BBs, and the Revolver by itself. As you can see, if you want to read it by yourself. Now, the pistol shoots up to 325 FPS. Length 9 inches. They're both about the same inch. Actually, the Revolver is longer. I think you probably saw that it was a spring gun. It too takes 12-gram BBs. I don't know why it said 6, but it can hold up to 12. It has the safety lever and whatever that is, synthetic material used. $15.99, and this $35.29. Holds up to 6. Holds up to 12. Now I'll show you the differences between both. As you all know, you have magazines. Go through the grip. Has very good accuracy, very good power. These are more of a complicated reloader. You'd have to individually pick up each shell, stick into the cylinder, stick a BB in the edges of all of them, go in there, close it back up, slam the hammer down, shoot. This one is just a simple pullback of the slide. And get ready to shoot. But this is extremely loud, which takes away all locations if you're ever in an airsoft war, any tournament, you know, your exact location, to where this one actually very silent. They might sound the same due to the crappy phone I'm using, but this one is actually silent. This one's almost loud. Now I like to use these bright colored BBs that actually seem to glow in the dark, and I kept this bright orange tip just, even though it's clear, but just to make sure that everyone knows that this is a BB gun. There's really not much you can do. Even though I know there's people out there, you Revolver freaks, that might know a lot of stuff about this, but the only thing I know is that that's the only difference between it and the real thing. Well, of course, I know there's a lot of differences, but that's a big difference. Like the fact that this is plastic and wood. This is see-through, bright orange, and has a big old spring right there. Alright, I'll show the loading processes individually. Hold on. Now, easy way to get these out, like the most popular way, is to just push forward, push out, and dump out. But for the sake of reloading time, I just like to keep them in there and just load them individually. Saves me about 10 seconds, maybe 6 seconds off. To where this one, as you know, it's a pistol, so all you have to do is press the mag release button and the mag falls down and you just put them all in there individually. Close it back in there, cock it, and you're ready to go. Now, if you want anything else, like a shooting test, like how fast I can reload them, or any fun videos based on this, just comment below, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you later in my next video. Peace.